it's Gina with WTI, and there's nothing that I hate worse than going to cut into a beautiful tomato and having a dull knife and it just completely destroys the tomato. That goes for pretty much anything else that I'm chopping up in the kitchen too. So having this knife sharpening stone set from Intelitopia has made such a huge difference in my joy in the kitchen and my slicing and dicing. I have never used a Whetstone sharpening set before, but actually I was so surprised at how quick I picked it up, and that tells me that anybody can do this. There are 2 Whetstones with 4 different degrees of grit. You're going to want to soak those first until you don't see bubbles coming out. I found that that took about 10 minutes. Then I placed the stones in their rubber holders and inside the bamboo base, and that kept it from slipping on the countertop as I sharpened. It also comes with this amazing guide that helps you keep the knife at a 15-degree angle, starting at the tip of the blade and then working to the back, and you're pushing away from you and moving up the middle of the whetstone. Using gentle and even pressure is going to give you the best edge, and you're going to do about 10 to 12 passes on each side of the knife with each grit. I'm so impressed with how sharp my knives are from using this set. I think you're going to be impressed with yours as well, and that's my point of view.